Hey guys, Pallav with you from Affiliate Success Hub, and in this video I am going to reveal to you how to get more people to subscribe to your email list with one simple trick that no one reveals. Now, as you might know that money is in the email list. The more people subscribe to your email list, the more you make money from that list passively. However, there is a small simple trick which you can apply to your funnel, and by applying that particular trick, your subscriber percentage can go from 10 to 15% almost instantly. In a moment from now, I'm going to reveal to you one simple trick that I have been using and also you can use to instantly increase your subscriber opt-in percentage from 10 to 15%. And also, for staying with me in this particular video, I have a special bonus for you at the end. So let's begin. No, I'm not going to show you any kind of magic trick and pull out some pigeon or some curd from my sleeves. Not like that. However, this trick can instantly help you to increase your opt-in percentage and conversion. So let's see how we can do now. For that, I'm going to go to my funnel builder. In this case, it's happen to be ClickFunnels. You could be using any kind of funnel builders and this should work for you. However, if you do not have any funnel builder, I'll suggest you to have a look at ClickFunnels. I'll put the link somewhere below in the description. Now you can get a free trial of ClickFunnels for 14 days. It's one of the super hot funnel builders out there, and you can definitely have a look at this. But as I told you, if you already have a funnel builder, don't need to reinvest. You can use that for this particular method. Now let's open one of my funnels which I already got for you. Now this is the simple capture page where there is a headline, and as you can see, I'm asking people to enter the email address to opt in. Now what happens once people see this particular page? Approximately 30 to 35%. I have tested this page over the years. Approximately 30 to 35% people are going to be opting in from this particular page. However, we are losing the rest of the people. So what we do with them? Now, if you want to close this page, you see something appears over here. Now, this is called exit pop-up. All right. Now, the moment your user or the visitor comes to this page and they want to close it, we are giving them a second warning, a second chance, to opt into the email list. Now what happens once you show them a second opportunity with some kind of an image and kind of a nice little headline, out of the people leaving, approximately 20% people are going to be still giving away their email ID. Okay, now look at the way I have put my logic over here. The headline says, wait, enter your email ID for instant free access to underground secret two-step formula, banking me this much per day against all odds. Now if you have any kind of a free PDF or a free giveaway, you can use that as a bonus over here. Now people want to say a bonus like a video course or a PDF. They're absolutely going to love that, and they're going to enter the email ID. So for you, what happens, you are getting additional opt-ins and email ID. So that is increasing your opt-in ratio, subscriber base almost instant. Now imagine if you do not have this kind of an exit splash or exit pop, then you're going to miss those audience forever and they'll never ever come back to you. Now let's look at how to set this up. Now I'll use ClickFunnels once again because I have used this. Now it's similar for whatever kind of page builder you're using. So in ClickFunnels, if I go to this pop-up, you can see the options: show pop-up or do not show. And if I click on edit settings, then I can simply build this. I can build the headlines. I can like in this case I have this image, so I can build the image. I can build the headlines and everything over here. Similarly, you can just play around with this. Okay, now what happens in the pop-up, like I can just simply copy, if I want to edit anything, I can do that over here. Now if I want to disable that, I can simply click over here, it will be disabled. Okay, as simple as that. However, like I told you, this is a super simple yet super successful underground trick of instantly increasing your subscriber base by 10 to 15% every time. And like I told you, the best thing is to test it with some kind of a free giveaway of some PDF or some kind of a course. Alright, so I hope you like this particular stuff. Like I told you before, I have a super special gift for you for being one of my awesome subscribers. There is a link below the video, either in the comment section or in the description or in both the sections, wherein I'm giving away my 10k per month affiliate marketing blueprint, which you can simply download for free of cost. All right, so once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that the video will be very useful for you to instantly increase your subscriber base and make more money. And if you like the content, then do encourage me by giving it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, because what happens once you do that, whenever I upload a super valuable video like this, you get an instant notification, so you can watch that particular video and do not miss out. Having said that, in the next video I'm going to showcase to you 7 distinct reasons why solo ad traffic gets you more instant traffic and affiliate commissions compared to any other traffic source out there. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video.